Well, it's still here. It's been over a year since I last seen this car out here. It's what appears to be a 1970 Chevelle SS 396. I say appears because I'm not sure if it really is. It's been hit pretty good there at one point. See the stripes there. You can barely see them though. Says down there. I think I had opened the trunk last time. There's a nice damage on the roof there. Inside, yeah, that bird's nest is still there. Bucket seat car, center console. Can't really look this car over much now. There's an AC car, factory AC car. I don't know if you can see it down there. Yeah, you can see the AC box. If it was truly a 396, it's long gone now. Got a small block in it. There's a tag on it. The VIN is no longer there, man. That thing rusted away. Now I know it did have a 12 bolt in it. It was a non-posi. The rear end that it's got in it now is off of off that 67 four-door that's on the other side over there. Guy who bought it, well, his brother ended up dying. I don't know what happened to them. But I got the sway bar. They gave me the sway bar off of it. Sad, man. Sad situation here. Well, especially if it is a true 396 car. Yeah. Let's see if I can see the mileage on this. Hard to see it, but there it is. Floors are gone. This interior's rough, man. Disc brakes. Power disc brakes. There it is. There it is. Kind of sad to see it like this, but you know, I wonder what they had there. What kind of sticker was that from? It was Chevy. Now, I don't know much what else to show on it. You know, maybe look underneath a little bit if I can. Will this door open? Nope. I know that door on the other side won't open. I tried to open it last time. See anything thing. I can't really see much underneath. It's got a lot of rust on it, you can tell. But who knows if there's a build sheet somewhere in that thing, but you know, just thought I want to get another video of it. I haven't been back to this place in a while, so, and it is still here. I don't know what the deal is with it, where they got it from. At one point it was for sale, at one point, or they were selling parts off of it, and now the guys are there not doing anything with it, so who knows. Alright, man, on to the next one.